Proteins. Proteins are required for growth and repair of worn-out tissues in our body. They also help in building the new tissues, making hormones and some vitamins essential for the body. If a child doesn't get enough protein in his food for a long time, he is likely to suffer from protein deficiency. Vitamins. Vitamins are required by our body in very small quantities. They do not provide energy to us. However, they do help the body to release energy from carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Vitamins help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. They also help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins are divided into two categories on the basis of their solubility. 1. Fat-soluble vitamins, that is A, D, and K. 2. Water-soluble vitamins, that is B-complex and C. All these vitamins are available from the food sources like carrot, green leafy vegetables, bananas, milk, milk products, eggs. Deficiency of these food items for a long time can cause various deficiency diseases.